these pickles again, but now I done seen a lot of good reviews on these pickles. Now y'all got Doreesha, flavored, I got strawberry, cotton candy, Bumblicious Blue, Ghetto Punch, and y'all, I love watermelon. I got watermelon. We can see what it tastes like though. First one I'm gonna try is the cotton candy. I'm scared. Oh, I got this filter on here, but I'm so scared. Lord. Smell like a pickle. Lord! I ain't even gonna lie. This cotton candy flavor. On a pickle. Why is good? It is good. No, nah. No. Cotton candy on a pickle. That's good. I'm finna try the other one. Hold on. Oh, I'm excited. Wait a minute. This one Bumblicious Blue. Baby, this is anything like the cotton candy one. Calm down, girl. Girl, calm down. Okay. Y'all got. Okay. Oh. Y'all. It's blue. It's blue. Okay. Bumblicious Blue. Oh, Lord. Okay. It ain't bad. It's not giving me blue, but it's giving me blue at the end. Oh, I taste a little blue. It's not better than the cotton candy one. It's not bad. I'm trying to see how is this possible? How am I liking this? It's okay. I like the cotton candy. Right now, the cotton candy in the lead. This Bumblicious Blue. You can try another one. Hold on. I'm excited. Because this one, the flavor is there. Okay? So hold on. Be right back. So this strawberry, y'all. Hold on. We're going to open her up. Doreesha girl. I don't know who gave you this idea, but girl, you did a thing here. Talking about some pickles. You don't like it. That one, the cotton candy one good, ain't it? But they don't like that one. Yeah, wait. Okay. This is strawberry kind. She being extra. This is strawberry, y'all. Okay.
I like this one pickle.
Strawberry. It's sweet. They ain't giving strawberry though. Cotton candy still in the lead. But the rich girl. I like your idea. Y'all ain't gonna tell y'all that my daughter, my oldest one, she the one that taught me into buying these pickles. And she done ate one that she didn't like. Now she don't want to try no more. That's why I don't listen to kids. They won't listen to them. But anyway, this is great. This is great. We finna see. Again, I told y'all the cotton candy. It's a winner for me. It's a winner. What is it? A grape? Oh, man, that one too big. Hold on. Okay. Girl, it better be good. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. That's crazy. I mean, a pickle that's a grape flavor. That's crazy. But I like that one. That is crazy. I just ate a pickle with grape flavor and it was good. That's crazy. Y'all, I don't even know how I did this because I didn't even do this on purpose. Real watermelon like my favorite fruit, babe. I eat it all year round if it's sweet. A watermelon pickle. I ain't even gonna hold you. This crazy. I can't believe I'm doing this, not Doreesha. Your packaging cute too, girl. That's cute. That's cute. And I hope that it's showing it the right way, cause I'm gonna count on the face thing. I'm scared. This watermelon. Let me make sure it's should cook. Look, y'all look at her packaging. It's cute. That's cute. This is a watermelon one. Cotton candy in the lead, then great. No other ones, not so much. Okay. Okay. It's giving watermelon. Who don't make me change my mind about how I look at watermelon, girl? Oh Lord. Here we go. Okay. I ain't gonna scare it. I love watermelon. Pickle don't change me on watermelon. Here we go. Okay. I'm scared. Okay. Water. Yeah, the watermelon. It's a small hint of watermelon. It's not bad. Cotton candy is the win for me. Like, that would be the one that I could eat. And it's a pickle. And it got the cotton candy. That's the best one I had. So, quite an experience. I can't believe I tried it. But Doreesha, like, that was creative. That was creative. I ain't gonna lie, the cotton candy pill get 10 out of 10. That's the best one for y'all. Until next time, your girl is out. Bye.